Hi, thanks for watching our video about cooking Gheme badamjan. This is one of the most famous and traditional Persian foods and is served as a main course in Iran. You can support me by watching the entire video and hitting the like button. If you haven't already, click on the subscribe button to follow my channel. Some of this crispy tadig. Prepare this tasty and traditional recipe once, and you will always want to make it again.